Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Keenan from Corec, and in this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to import DWG into Trimble Business Center to export for the use in SiteVision. So here I've just Trimble Business Center open. This is version 5.3, but if you have a previous version to SiteVision, you can run a plugin for SiteVision also. So what I have here is just a DXF, but you can have a DWG. So what I'll do is just drag and drop it straight into the middle of the screen. It opens up there and it gives me my false coordinate system. So I'm just going to press OK, and here's my site here. So first off, what I do is I create a blank template. So what I want to do is change coordinate system. So in there, in my quick access toolbar, I've changed coordinate system. So if you don't have that, you can hit your F12 key and it opens up your command window, and in there you can type in change, and then you'll have coordinate system at the top of the screen. Once that opens up, it'll bring you into your coordinate system. So you can go into your coordinate system zones and pick whatever zone you're in. So for this, it's Republic of Ireland, ITM, and then it's GI 2015. So we leave everything else and press finish. And what it does is it updates the project here on the right hand side. Is telling you that it's in ITM Irish grid. Okay, so what I can do here now is just to double check it's in the right position and everything is okay. I can use my toggle map background. Okay, so by clicking on that, it opens up the maps, and then what you'll have is the satellite imagery or the map imagery of the site. Okay, so you can actually check is the drawing correct or not. So once that loads, you can see the image then straight away. So you can see here the image pops up. So what we're going to do is double check it here and go into the satellite imagery. So in your project explorer, when you click on your name of your project, it'll give you the details of your project, and it says background map visible, yes. And then in here it says Trimble map view, but you can change it to imagery. And what it does is it loads the project. So it loads up the map, and you can see an overview of the map here of our survey. Okay, so once that's done, then you can actually turn it on and off in the toggle background, so it's off. Okay, so that's our survey, and that's what we want to go out to SiteVision. So we go up into home, export, and in there you go into construction, and then when you scroll all the way down to the bottom, if you go to the very bottom at the very top of the list, that says SiteVision AR exporter. So you select that and it'll ask you how many items you want to select. You highlight that, and it highlights all the project. You can give it a name unless you previously given a name. So we're going to call this Corec Office, and then you export. Once that exports out, you have 3 files. So the 3 files are, if I go into my Trimble folder, down to unnamed, you can see in here now my main CAD drawing is my DXF, but you have these 3 files. So you have your JXL, TRB, and your VCL. So what you do is on your Trimble Connect, in whatever project you created, maybe for example if you create a project called Corec, and in there you can actually copy these 3 files straight into Trimble Connect, and when you go out into the feed with your SiteVision, it'll load up the DWG, so it'll load like the TRB file, which is the trim BIM file. It'll load up your coordinate system JXL, and it'll put you in the right location on the site. Okay, thanks, bye.